I'm planting roses. Gardening is my favorite hobby, sweetie. Look, this one is already sprouting.
Wow! Is this a sport too?
Not quite. A sport is usually about moving your body, playing with others, or having teams. A hobby is something you love doing in your spare time, like gardening, painting, or even baking cupcakes.
So hobbies are fun things we do, even without winning?
Hello, I'm Captain AHS. Today, we're trying to discover something fun, read about sports and hobbies.
Mama, what are you doing with the dirt?
I'm planting roses. Gardening is my favorite hobby, sweetie. Look, this one is already sprouting.
Wow! Is this a sport too?
Not quite. A sport is usually about moving your body, playing with others, or having teams. A hobby is something you love doing in your spare time, like gardening, painting, or even baking cupcakes.
So hobbies are fun things we do, even without winning?
Exactly. There's no score or trophy, just joy. Would you like to read the back of this seed packet with me?
Yes, please! Plant warm soil grows in sun. That's easy.
You're learning about gardening just by reading. Now you know it's a hobby that needs care and patience.
Can I plant one?
Absolutely. Let's get your hands a little muddy.
I'm ready. I'm going to hit the ball out of the stadium.
Hasib, could you try to hit the ball softly? I'm still practicing catching, and I might not catch it if you hit it too hard.
Oh, I didn't realize you were still practicing. I'll hit it slowly, so you can have a chance to catch it. But first, you gotta know the rules. Sports have rules, so everyone plays fair.
Okay. Teach me.
This is called baseball. You hit the ball, run to the bases, and try to score a run. No throwing the bat, no running backward. Watch, stand still, swing, and run.
Is dancing a sport too?
It can be. If you take classes, perform, or enter a dance competition, it's a sport. But if you dance in your room for fun, it's a hobby.
So can one thing be both?
Exactly. It depends on how you do it.
I think I love hobbies and sports.
Hasib, that's very kind of you. Respecting Saro's practice time shows that you care about her feelings and need to improve too.
I want Saro to have a chance to catch it and feel good about her practice. And I respect her.
That's the spirit, Saro. Hasib shows respect by thinking about how you feel and giving you space to improve. It's great teamwork.
I got it, Suleiman. Respect means helping others when they need it.
I am glad that you got it.
Thanks, Hasib. Now I can catch it without worrying about the ball flying too far.
Excellent work, team. Now, let's see how much you remember with the final quiz. What is something people do as a hobby? Options: A. Painting. B. Sleeping. The correct answer is A. Painting. What is true about hobbies? Options: A. You do them for fun. B. They are only for grown-ups. The correct answer is A. You do them for fun. Which of these is a sport? Options: A. Baking. B. Soccer. The correct answer is B. Soccer. Which one is a hobby and not a sport? Options: A. Gardening. B. Running in a race. The correct answer is A. Gardening. Why do people play sports? A. To have fun and move their body. B. To eat snacks. The correct answer is A. To have fun and move their body. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll read about famous places.